Hey, you wanna know how to play Acdc's You Shook Me All Night Long guitar solo? Well then come join me. Welcome. Chris here with Absolute Guitar Avenue. I'm gonna break down that guitar solo for you. The G string, whole bend, then 3rd fret on the high E, and then the B, and then the 6th fret on the B. So that little phrase. So pre-bend from the 5th, then bring it down. You're already up here, you're already bent up the whole step. Bring it down on the G, then the 5th fret on the D, and the 5th fret on the A. So those two parts together. Next is 5th fret and 3rd fret on the D string, and then 5th fret and 3rd fret on the A string. The E, it's the 6th fret and the 3rd fret. Then you go down to the 3rd fret on the G string, and then the 5th fret on the D, and then the 5th fret on the A. Fret on the D, and then back to the 3rd fret on the G. So all together, pre-bend. On the 3rd fret. So next section is 7 on the G string, twice on the B string and the 6th fret, go up a whole step to the 9th fret, and the 8th fret, twice on the B string, then 9 on the G string, and 8 on the B string, then whole step on the B string, 10th fret, and then 10th fret on the high E, then release it on the B, and then 8th fret on the B. So all together slowly. Then whole step on the 11th fret on the B string, and whole step on the 10th fret on the B string, then 8 on the B string, 9th fret on the G string, and then back to 8th fret on the B. So all together slowly. Eighteenth fret on the B string, whole step. Then 15th fret on the high E, 15th fret on the B, 18th fret on the B. So that little phrase. And then pre-bend on the 17th, then release it to the 15th, and then the 17th on the D string. So all together. 17th and 15th fret on the B, D, and G string. One time. All together. Fret on the G string, then 18th on the B, 2 times. Release it, pull off to the 15th, 17th on the D string. So all together up to that point. Slide up to the 15th fret on the B string. whole step bend on the 18th fret in the high E, half step bend on the 17th, release it, 15th fret in the E, 17, 17 on the B string, then back to 15 on the E, and then 18th on the B string, whole step bend. And then after that, we have 15 on the high E, 18 on the B string, whole step bend on the 17th fret in the G, and then to the 15th fret on the G string, then slide to the 17th fret in the G, then slide to the 21st fret in the G string, and then hit 20 on the B, do it twice, then whole step bend on the 22nd on the B string, release on the 20th fret. So if you got value out of this lesson, make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.